Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by and welcome to another sneaker unboxing video. This week we're looking at Represent's brand new sneaker. It just dropped. It's called the Reptor. But before we jump into the video, I just want to say if you enjoy watching, please don't forget to smash that like button as it really helps me out, and to subscribe to the channel. I noticed that over 80% of you guys that watch my videos aren't actually subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy watching, please hit that subscribe button. So as I said, I'm going to be unboxing the Represent Reptor sneaker. I'm also going to be giving you my thoughts on this trainer, how to style it, and briefly going over the sizing. This is actually the first sneaker I've purchased from Represent for a few years now. The last one I bought was in 2017. It was the Alpha Low with the gum sole and black nubuck suede. And I think it's fair to say that they've massively improved the quality and manufacturing since then. We'll start with the box, which is all white with small Represent branding in the middle. And as you open it, you'll see a thank you card signed by George and Mike, with the owners of Represent. The first 500 pairs get this cool little message, which is a nice touch. The sneakers are handmade in Italy, so you get all that nice packaging and a large dust bag. And the Reptors are sealed in these cool Represent all over print bags. And you also get two choices of laces. I think for now I'll stick with brown, but I will definitely get those cream ones on soon. And there you go, these are the sneakers. I decided to go for the brown colorway. They also come in a really sick vintage white color scheme. I think the brown color and the silhouette itself is a massive nod to the Jordan 1 Travis Scott collaboration. Honestly, since they've dropped, I've been after a pair of brown sneakers, and these are such a brilliant alternative, and they're a lot cheaper when you factor in resale. The guys that Represent are very meticulous about their work, so as you can imagine, there are some very sick details on this shoe, and we're going to get into it now. We'll start with the sole, and as you can see, it's an all grey rubber basketball style sole, and as you go up the side, I really like this colour. It looks like it's aged. They call it vintage white. Working our way up the leather panels, you get that first look at the brown colour scheme, which looks so sick. I really think they've nailed that vintage brown / white colour, and I think the crown jewel part of this sneaker is that they've actually designed it so the side panels say Rep. I don't know if you guys can see, let me know if you can see it down below in the comments, but that is the R there, you've got the E there, and then that is the P. I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer to camera, hopefully you guys can see it. Personally, I think you can see it a bit better on the vintage white pair, but I could see it perfectly fine. Let me know if you can see it down below in the comments. I think that Rep panel design is very impressive, and just below the P you have that zigzag detailing which seems to be on every Represent sneaker apart from the Terriers. Onto the toe area, and you've got the air holes, and as we work our way up the tongue you'll see the brown laces. And another thing I love about this sneaker is that the tongue and the collar are padded, which massively improves the all-round comfort of this shoe. Plus you have that heel tab on the back. So that is a quick rundown, and I'm just going to quickly touch on the shape. On the Represent website they say this is a mid-top, but I'm just going to compare it to my Jordan 1 high, and I think they're pretty much the same height. So yeah, as you can see, they're pretty much the same height, and personally I think the Reptor is actually a little bit easier to get on and off, but that's just my personal opinion. The price point on these are $225, which I think is pretty fair and bang on, and there's still actually a fair few sizes left in this colour and in the vintage white, so I'm going to link the website down below if you want to go check them out. And they are true to size. I'm a UK 6, I ordered the 6 and it fits perfectly. And just in regards to styling these, I think I'm going to wear these with my black ASOS trousers. I think they sit really well with this kind of trainer, and this is how they look on. But let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you prefer the brown or the vintage white colorway? And just before I go, I want to remind you guys to like this video and subscribe to the channel. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a small giveaway. Send in one of you lucky lot a Uniqlo U oversized t-shirt, and all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see some cool pictures of me styling these trainers, be sure to follow me on Instagram and say hello. You can find me at Charlie Turner with 3 R's. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.